Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to record the PC screen using a very professional software on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you are a vlogger or a YouTube video creator, you need this tool on your laptop. This tool gives you the possibility to record what you are doing on the PC screen without any login, any problem on without any problem on. Once you are on your software, Wondershare Filmora, click on this button directly. Screen recorder. Now all you have to do is to click on this read button to launch the screen recorder. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe on our channel and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.